adding a new customer and vehicle. MaxxTraxx lets you add customers during the creation of an appointment, repair order, quote, or independently straight to the customer record. The process is the same for all of them, so we will add a new customer through the creation of an appointment. When you click on the appointment button, the customer screen opens. Click on the Add Customer button at the lower left. You will have to choose if the entry is a person or a company. For a company, you will need to input the company name and contact person if desired. Please note that the contact name will not come up in any searches, only the company name. For this example, we'll add a customer to our records. Note the red asterisks next to the first and last name boxes. These are required entries. When finished, click the Next button. Notice that the address information is not required. We will skip past it for this video, but it is always a good idea to have all the information filled out in these fields. The email field is of special importance. Without an email address, you can't send email to your customers. Click Next again. Enter the phone number in the phone box. You can add multiple numbers, but always remember to select the type of phone. Click Next again. If the customer has a resale license, enter that in the resale number box. If you want to enter the marketing tag, type it in this box. The marketing tags are used in mass and email marketing to specific customers. You can also exclude customers from mass marketing by checking this box. If you want the person enrolled in the MaxxBucks customer loyalty program, check that box. If the customer is tax exempt or is eligible for a special tax rate, check the Use Special Tax Rate button. Choose the tax rate you would use from the Select button. Tax rates are created in the Setups menu, but you can also create one on the fly here. An important feature of the Details window is the price code. The price code is the level of parts pricing you want to assign to this particular customer. The labor pricing level is assigned to the vehicle in one of the next steps. The default option is price level A. Select a different one if needed. Click Next when done. This is the screen where you would add a vehicle. You can choose to add one now or later. For this video, we will add one now. Click on the Add Vehicle button. This will take you to the vehicle selection window. If you have your free Carfax account activated, first try using the license plate lookup feature. You can also enter the year, make, and model, the vehicle identification number, or add a custom vehicle. In any case, it is best to have the full VIN in place for records and ordering parts. We'll use the license lookup feature for this video. Enter the license number and state abbreviation, then click the lookup button. Please note that this feature relies on sources outside of MaxxTraxx and does not have every plate number available. On most vehicles, you will have to verify some of the information. Just click on the line applicable to the trim or engine choices for the vehicle. Click Finish when you are done. This will open up the Vehicle Details window. Fill in the remaining information such as color, transmission, and drive type. Again, make sure to fill out as much information as possible to save yourself time and headaches later. This is also where you'll select the labor pricing level for the vehicle. Just like parts pricing, the default option is price level A. Click the Save Close button when finished. You can now edit the vehicle or just click Finish. The vehicle is now assigned to the customer and you can create an appointment. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.